Embark on a flavorful journey to the heart of Mexico in our video, Taste of Mexico, exploring the rich heritage of tacos. Join us as we immerse ourselves in the colorful markets, bustling taquerias, and the rich cultural tapestry of Mexico's most iconic dish, tacos. Our adventure begins in the vibrant streets of Mexico City, where the tantalizing aroma of sizzling meats, fresh salsas, and warm tortillas fills the air. Immerse yourself in the vibrant world of Mexican cuisine as we delve into the artistry of crafting this beloved culinary masterpiece. As we uncover the culinary magic behind Mexican tacos, you'll witness the skilled hands of local taqueros at work. Succulent meats, marinated to perfection, are lovingly wrapped in soft tortillas and adorned with a variety of toppings. It's a symphony of flavors and textures that embodies the soul of Mexico. But tacos are more than just a dish, they're a reflection of Mexico's diverse regional traditions and cultural heritage. We'll take you on a sensory journey, from the bustling street corners of Mexico City, where al pastor tacos reign supreme, to the coastal towns of Yucatan, where cachanita pibil tacos shine. Discover the significance of tacos in Mexican culture, where they're not just a meal but a celebration of community, fiesta, and the flavors of Mexico. It's food that brings people together, fostering a sense of camaraderie, festivity, and shared joy. Taste of Mexico is not just a video, it's a tribute to the culinary traditions, vibrant landscapes, and the lively spirit of Mexico. Join us as we savor every moment of this culinary exploration through tacos, and experience the artistry and passion that have made this dish an integral part of Mexican culture. Prepare to be inspired, educated, and transported to the colorful markets and picturesque landscapes of Mexico by the captivating stories and mouth-watering flavors that await you in Taste of Mexico, exploring the rich heritage of tacos.